Welcome to Quiz and Learning Channel. India's Operation Abhyaas 2025 took place in how many districts? A. 100. B. 150. C. 200. D. 244.
Answer D. 244. Which team did India defeat in the Asia Cup 2025 final? A. Sri Lanka. B. Pakistan. C. Bangladesh. D. Afghanistan. Answer B. Pakistan. Which company is India's leading renewable energy producer in 2025? A. Tata Power. B. NTPC. C. Adani Green Energy. D. Reliance Power. Answer C. Adani Green Energy. Which bank is India's largest public sector bank in 2025? A. PNB. B. Bank of Baroda. C. SBI. D. Canara Bank. Answer C. SBI. Which Indian city will host Aero India 2025? A. Chennai. B. New Delhi. C. Bengaluru. D. Pune. Answer C. Bengaluru. Which company launched ChatGPT? A. Google. B. Microsoft. C. OpenAI. D. Amazon. Answer C. OpenAI. Which Indian satellite program is related to navigation? A. INSAT. B. Navisi. C. GS8. D. GSLV. Answer B. Navisi. Which city is known as Silicon Valley of India? A. Hyderabad. B. Chennai. C. Bengaluru. D. Pune. Answer C. Bengaluru. Which Indian woman is the CEO of Nykaa? A. Indra Nooyi. B. Falguni Nair. C. Kiran Majumdar Shaw. D. Roshni Nadar. Answer B. Falguni Nair. Which gas do plants release during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Methane. Answer A. Oxygen. Which state is famous for Surjakund Crafts Mela? A. Punjab. B. Haryana. C. Gujarat. D. Rajasthan. Answer B. Haryana. Which Indian cricketer is nicknamed Hitman? A. Virat Kohli. B. Rohit Sharma. C. Shubman Gill. D. Hardik Pandya. Answer B. Rohit Sharma. What is the emergency ambulance number in India? A. 100. B. 102. C. 108. D. 109. Answer C. 108. Which day is observed as World No Tobacco Day? A. 22nd April. B. 5th June. C. 31st May. D. 15th August. Answer C. 31st May. Which international organization declared 2025 as Year of Glacier Protection? A. UNGA. B. UNESCO. C. WHO. D. UNEP. Answer A. UNGA. Which Indian city hosted the Aravali Summit 2025? A. Mumbai. B. New Delhi. C. Bangalore. D. Hyderabad. Answer B. New Delhi. Which company became the world's most valuable tech firm in 2025? A. Microsoft. B. Apple. C. Nvidia. D. Google. Answer C. Nvidia. Which mission or defense initiative was unveiled by PM Modi on 15 August 2025? A. Mission Raksha. B. Project Surya. C. Mission Sudarshan Chakra. D. Cyber Suraksha. Answer C. Mission Sudarshan Chakra. Which international sport event is being hosted jointly by India and Sri Lanka in 2025? A. ICC Men's T20 World Cup. B. ICC Women's Cricket World Cup. C. Asian Games. D. Commonwealth Games. Answer B. ICC Women's Cricket World Cup. Which country hosted the 2025 Asia Cup? A. India. B. Pakistan. C. Bangladesh. D. United Arab Emirates UAE. Answer D. United Arab Emirates. Thanks. Subscribe my channel.